Okay. Listen. Every time I perform, I was proud of myself. Ain't seen nobody there for me, but I was proud of myself. I even acknowledged my health. I was there for my own good. Yo, I thought these niggas could've got me a deal, but I ain't do shit but vibe and still. But them niggas just lied to me. Man, that shit was crazy how these niggas lied to me. I was on a young boy 16 with big hopes and big dreams. Everybody looked at me and say this nigga fucking crazy. What do you think these niggas gonna sign me? This nigga even told me these niggas was really grimy. Man, I ain't even listen. I ain't even give a fuck. I really thought these niggas had some shit going up. I really think these niggas had some ATL shit going on. The nigga say he worked with Lil Jon, man. I'm like, what's going on? I ain't even get a phone call yet from this nigga. Let these niggas fucking 5 voicemails in the deck. Motherfucker, do what's up? What's going on? But I ain't even give a fuck. I just kept on going on. Still did performance. Still got in the studio. Going all hard. Put my heart into it, man. That shit was so crazy. I was spitting mad bars. I was up all night spitting mad bars. I ain't never leave the studio until I felt accomplished. Woke up out the bitch like, yeah, I'm about to get the knowledge. But like I said, the nigga never fucking called me. I did performance and that shit was so crazy. But that's at the same time, man, that shit fucking haunt me. At the same time, that shit fucking haunt me. So every time I do a show, tell motherfuckers, don't hold your applause, man. Just give it and then go. Man, fucker, I just take it, then I give it, then I go. Motherfuckers, I just thought I had to let you know. Don't let nobody knock you off your fucking feet. Let nobody knock you off your fucking big hopes and dreams. Be like me, keep chasing it, keep fucking chasing it. Getting that money, yeah, keep fucking chasing it.